Hello and welcome back with a new video in Node.js tips and tricks tutorial. In this video we'll talk about how to make our custom QR code and link it with some data or some URLs that when you are scanning the URL code it will open some website or go to some URL, specific URLs that you want. First thing, after you initialize your Node.js project, just install a QR code by hit npm install QR code, just like this. After this, after install completed, you will see the QR code package inside the dependency, and that means we have installed it successfully. After that, we need to make a file inside our project. Let's say index.js or server.js or something like that. Inside this file, we'll write this a little bit small code. Sorry, it's just a small code. First thing, we need to take an instance from QR code package and call it QR code, and this QR code we will make a QR code image by this and save it to the file. And you here, first parameter, you need to uh, define the image path or where you will want to save your QR code. And the second parameter, it's just the data that you want to include it inside your QR code. Let's say we need to save this image dot slash, that means in the same level with index.js, so it will install here. And let's give it name qr1.png, like this. And we need to give it a URL, so this URL will be included inside this image, so when you scan this image it will move to this URL. So let's go and take any web, let's say this website, and put it here instead of URL, and everything else it will be the same. Let's save and let's start this file by hit node index.js. After that you will see QR code saved, because if there is error our code will throw the error. If not, if there is not error, this log will be appear QR code saved, and we will see a new image here. So let's execute this file, QR code saved, and we have now image that's qr1.png. It's a QR code. If you scan it with your phone camera, it will move directly to the link, this link. So that's it, how to work with QR code. Hope that's will be was a useful video, and watch me and to see my new video.